My name is Prince Afriye. I'm an associate professor of data science and also the director of the residential master's program in data science. We call it the MSDS program. So just so people know, we have the same program, but it's taught in two modalities. So we have the MSDS program online and MSDS program residential. So I'm the director of the residential program. So the residential MSDS program has been around for about 10 years. So we've really worked to get the program to where it is today and streamline all the courses so we can better serve our students. The program is designed to be terminal, so that means that students can just get this degree and then just go into the workforce and be a data scientist. So one of the appeals of our program is 11-month program. So most data science programs are there 2 years. So ours, the residential program for us is 11 months. And so students come in, so once students get admitted, they come in June. They take 3 courses over the summer. And these courses are designed to be very foundational to the field of data science and also prepares the students to be successful in the program. So they come in the summer and they take programming for data science. They take a linear models course, and then they take another course, practice and applications of data science. And so yeah, it's very intense summer, but students usually really like the summer session because they get to see their cohort every day in the summer, and so they get to form a connection right from the onset of the program. In the fall, they take 4 courses, and these 4 courses are CS course, Bayesian machine learning, ethics of big data, and then a component of the Capstone. I'll talk about the Capstone in just a little bit. And then in the spring, they take the last 2 of the core courses for the program and then 2 electives. So the last 2 of the core courses will be a deep learning course and also finish up the Capstone. And again, I'll come back to the Capstone in a little bit. And then, so again, they take 4 courses in the spring. The 2 other courses are electives. So we try to give the students the opportunity to take other courses at UVA. We call it grounds. So they can take courses from, say the business school. They can take courses in statistics. They can take a course, but we try to be very broad in architecture and stuff like that. So that's basically the 11 courses for the program and totaling 32 credits. So the highlight of the program is the Capstone. So I mentioned the Capstone earlier. So as of right now, we've broken up into 2 semesters. So they take 1 credit of that Capstone in the fall and the 2 credit in the spring. So the point of the Capstone is so students can get real world data problems, how to apply the data science techniques they've learned in their courses into real life data examples. So for example, we actually work very hard so we have a whole team dedicated to the Capstone. There's a director of the Capstone project where we actually go out there and look for good projects in our community in Charlottesville, our UVA Health, UVA professors that have data that need some data scientists to work on them, and also the industry. So for example, we have companies like Deloitte that we work with. We also have companies, we also actually have projects from the government, Department of Defense, for example. And so students really like that part of their course. They can actually talk about that in their interviews, and they get to really make an impact in data science right away. So an example is I'm actually one of the advisors for the Capstone teams this cohort, and my whole team is collaborating with UVA Health, where we're looking at building a very fancy app just so people in tropical areas, especially tropical areas that have some childhood diseases, so we can display that on the app, that everybody can actually look at the app and see the prevalence of a specific childhood disease in tropical areas. So they get to really do some really cool stuff. We have a lot of information sessions that are lined up, but feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about the program. One of my philosophies as a program director is to make sure that the program really works for students in particular. I think the students are our most important commodity here. So making sure that the program runs very smooth for our students. And when I say our students, prospective students are included too. So feel free to reach out if I can answer any questions about the program for you.